What's up? It's me, Haley Jones, and I am running up Noelton, but not for the Knoxville Covenant Health Marathon. Today, we are checking out 548 Noelton Drive. Let's go inside and take a look. The first thing you notice when you step inside 548 Noelton Drive are the beautiful hardwoods. I'm a sucker for a 1930s vibe, and this home does not disappoint. We are looking at 2,413 square feet today across 3 bedrooms, a full bath and 2 half baths. This is a 2-story plus basement. On the main level, you've got beautiful spaces, including a family room, well, 2 family rooms if you wanted it that way, a breakfast nook just off the kitchen, which is so cute, and a sunroom area, which is currently being used as a dining room, which I love because the windows are awesome. You also have a large bedroom on this main level and a half bath. Upstairs, there are 2 really nicely sized bedrooms, including a primary suite with tons and tons of storage and a little nook for an office or a reading moment or maybe a nursery. Use your imagination. It's an awesome space. There's also a super cute full bath on that second floor. And downstairs in the basement, you've got a generous laundry room. Think craft space, laundry, utility, storage. I mean, you've got room for it all, as well as a finished space, which could be used as a office space, a home gym, or even a guest area. And this walks right out to your awesome backyard. What did you think? I think 548 Noelton makes an awesome pit stop. This house is in a beautiful Sequoia Hills location on an iconic Sequoia Hills street. That being said, if you have interest in this property, give me a call. I'm Haley Jones, and I'll see you next time.